Hello everyone, welcome on Frogtech Tips. Today I've got for you Gigabyte Aorus B550M Elite gaming motherboard for socket AM4. I will be used for this AMD Ryzen 5000 series. It will be used this onboard graphic card, but that on later. But so far, have a look and open these lovely boxes and how it looks this motherboard. But first of all, check on this side what we have here. Okay, on the box, it's for support AMD Ryzen series processor. CPU socket is AM4. Chipset is a B550 chipset. Graphic card interface is 1x PCI Express 4 and 3.16 version. It's got also display interface, HDMI, DVI, support dual channel DDR4. That's what I will be used. 32 GB RAMs. Yeah, and it's also support 4 SATA and twice M2 for SSD. It's got a right 8-channel HD, GIGABYTE, and support 6 USB 3.2 Gen and 6 times 3.2 Gen 1 and plus 6 times USB version 2, and its form factor M80X. That means 244 to 244. It's nice cube, small main board. It also support interface for the RGB fusion. That's nice because I got the RGB fan for this and also RGB RAM models, and but I heatsink support the M2 slots, solid pin. Wow, brilliant. Update BIOS without CPU, DDR, and graphic cards. That's really nice function, especially if you buy the new processor and it will doesn't work. This mainboard can save your life because you don't need a CPU, RAM, even the graphic cards. Nothing. You can just straight away flash your BIOS and support twice HDMI. Really? Or twice? Yeah. The DVI-D and HDMI support here. Okay, have a look and we'll open this lovely boxes. What's inside? We got an inside lovely gaming board. Put on side. What's here? We got a lovely sticker. Manuals and 2 SATA cable. That's it. We'll need the manuals for the pins later on to find out how to plug in pins. You'll keep inside. And I have a look on the board here. It's over here, how it looks like, and what can we do with this mainboard. I should plug in and test it. Yeah, that's why not. Okay. Open it and check it. Here we go. This is how it looks like. Nice, solid mainboard. Look at that, it's nice. Remove, okay. Need to remove this before the use. Okay. It's really nice. Got the M2 slots here. 2 of them. Brilliant. Look at that, how it looks. I like it. It's brilliant. Really nice build quality. Nice black color.